Here we go, guys. Sports cars used to be with only 2 seats, with no aircon inside, and it just came with the color red. But now we have it, our sports cars look like this. Awesome, not just red, but blue and all sorts of colors. Not just with 2 seats, but 4 doors, beautiful seats and colors. And guys, these 2 cars right here, the Subaru WRX STI and the Lancer Evolution X, has been competing for more than 2 decades now. They've been revolutionizing sports cars and making everything go a step higher. Guys, we're going to be testing them out and seeing which has more power, which has more handling, and seeing which goes better on the road. Here we go, check this out. Whether it's a Subaru or the Mitsubishi, they're not for the faint of heart. It's got that extended fenders, large hood scoops, and wings. It's like the body piercing or tattooing. It becomes a visible showcase for your love for everything fast. Only it's not for everybody. Both of these cars aren't necessarily beautiful, but they do grab your attention quickly. Inside, both of these cars have straightforward, easy-to-use cabins. But there's no denying the less than luxurious look and feel. Still, it's great that both of these cars offer body-hugging sports seats and consistently high levels of fit and finish. In terms of driving, your experience largely depends on whether you can drive stick or not. If you can, then the WRX STI delivers an excellent experience. Not only does it give a much more direct control because of its 3-pedal setup, but switchable driving modes using the SI drive helps it maximize performance or fuel efficiency. The steering wheel, of course, it has that racing vibe feel. Very, very stable, as you can see. Going to corners, it really grips the corners. Braking's very, very nice. The shifting is very nice in this car. It has a short shift feel, really like a race car, you know, bringing it from 1, 2, 3. That's awesome, that's a nice one. And you can do automatic and lock the differential. You could put more power in the front, more power in the rear. If you want to drift more, if you want to have more front wheel drive, more rear wheel drive, you can do all that stuff. Pretty nice, it really sticks in that curb. Bringing it out, up, coming it out, bringing it out. Beautiful, nice. Downshifting, very, very nice. Smooth gears. Very nice cornering. Downshift a little bit here. Boom.